Hello and welcome to this module on dashboards and storytelling with data. At this point, we have learned a lot about dashboards, but this module will take us from Tableau's best practices for dashboard design into assembling a dashboard. To get started, I have assigned you some reading on the basic principles of dashboard design. Now, Tableau has written up some good best practices for dashboard design, which include 1. Choose metrics based on why they matter. 2. Keep it visual. 3. Make it interactive. 4. Keep the data up to date. 5. Make it simple to access and use. And finally, 6. Mistakes to avoid. But I want to caution you up front about these readings, as they were written more as a marketing tool. The articles seem to imply that Tableau is really the only way to do the dashboards. These best practices seem to align exactly with Tableau's best features. It's not explicitly stated that way, and the principles can be used for other apps that you can use for visualizations like Excel or Power BI or whatever. But that being said, we're using Tableau in this course, and it makes sense to think about dashboards on their terms and translate that to other apps as needed. In the first couple of lessons in this module, I will do a visualization that is associated with each of these 6 best practices to illustrate their points. Then, for the bulk of this module, we will apply hierarchies, actions, filters, and parameters within Tableau. In the final lesson of this module, you will discover how to uncover the story in the data and be able to frame your story. We have a lot to cover, so let's get started.